Today we will be making chicken fajitas. Cut the onion, chicken fillet and paprika into slices. Cut the jalapeno pepper into little bits. Put the chicken in a bowl or use a plate. Pinch the juice out of one lemon above the chicken and mix it with the pressed garlic, paprika, cumin, pepper and salt. Add the chicken to a pan. Heat the pan on a large fire and add a tablespoon of arachid oil and then add the chicken to the pan. Bake the chicken in for about 4 minutes, then you can add the onion and the paprika. Bake everything for another 4 minutes. Before serving, you can add a little juice from the second lime and the jalapeno peppers. Put a tortilla on the plate and serve. You can also serve this with rice instead of tortillas.